Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Yamaha XSR900. This is the Neo Retro style, upright, standard 900cc triple. Super powerful, liquid cooled, fuel injection. This bike has only 22 miles. Beautiful light blue metallic paint scheme with the silver pin stripes. It's got these two really cool engine guards, upper and lower. Again, 22 miles. This bike's brand new, gorgeous, only $79.99. This is the one you've been waiting for. Come by before it goes away. Don't miss out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time, 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.